I, Judy from Witchpeace Craft, welcome to Tuesday the 11th of October, International Girl Day. Yes, my wacky make-a-do for October. International Girl Day is a United Nations initiative to celebrate and commemorate the issues and matters that face young girls worldwide and give them an opportunity to have a voice on the global stage. In honor of this day and to commemorate the 10th anniversary, I am releasing a crochet pattern in honor of my little friend Emma. Now, if you're new to the channel, Emma is my little friend who suffers from cerebral palsy and dystonia and is confined to a wheelchair, and we've often done fundraising for her. However, we've had a bit of disappointing news lately. We were fundraising for a therapy pool to go in when her forever home is finished being built. And we were doing really well with our target. However, last week we discovered the forever home has had a cost increase of 30% due to the cost of living crisis around the world. And some of the money we raised for the therapy pool will have to be used on the house. So I'm off fundraising again, and what better way to do it than to sell my crochet tea cozy pattern in honor of Emma. So the pattern that will be up for sale is called Emma's Kisses, and this is what it will look like. A little tea cozy. This is the large one. It'll have a drawstring top for easy access. It's made in 2 pieces and so easy to make. This is the large. That is the medium. I did have a small one, which I sold on Sunday at the market. Come back and watch my next video about my yarn adventures at the market and how much money we were raising. We had a great day, and what we're planning to do to fundraise for Emma at the November market. So my crochet pattern is a PDF. It costs $5 Australian, and on today's exchange rate it will cost $3.15 US, £2.85 in the British pound, and 25 euro. The Canadian dollar is very similar to the Australian dollar, maybe fraction more or fraction less. The pattern will be available on 3 platforms at the moment. My Ko-fi shop, which I set up this year to raise funds for Emma and haven't really done anything with. It will be available in my Made It shop and on Etsy. Now, any fees incurred on these platforms when you purchase the pattern, I will absorb. So when you pay your $5 or whatever for the pattern, that will be the full amount that gets donated to Emma's Quest. Emma's Quest is a little charity set up that is designed to fundraise for Emma, so Emma can lead an independent life. And her mother does everything to encourage this by doing different things. So my tea cozy pattern crochet is finally here. Thank you to all my pattern testers for your due diligence and patience. I know I had a lot of notes returned, and I've only just got around to putting it all together and releasing the pattern. Guys, I hope you check out the pattern if you can afford it, because I know the cost of living is terrible all over the world. Then please purchase the pattern in honor of my friend Emma and International Girl Child Day. Now, if you can't and you'd still like to support us, could you please give this video a thumbs up and leave a lovely comment for me to share with Emma and Doreen, because they do enjoy watching my channel, hearing what people have to say. And during the year, some ladies have made donations to Emma's Quest via email to me. So yes, my subscribers are lovely. They support what I do, and they support my little friend Emma. I hope you enjoy the pattern. It will be in a PDF form similar to this. This is a Word document. It's not very good, not very clear. It'll have detailed instructions, pictures, and tips to help you to make your tea cozy if it's the first one you have ever made. It's made in 2 parts and you sew it together. It would make a great little Christmas gift, a stocking filler, Secret Santa gift for this time of year, for that tea drinking connoisseur who likes to have their tea made in a teapot. Mine are all made in pure wool, which helps with the thermal properties of keeping the tea warm, but you can make it in acrylic, cotton, whatever fibre you want. Now, the bonus is, you're looking at, what's this one in the background? This was one I did last year to raise funds for our Yarny sister Sharon, who has since passed over to paradise and hopefully is having fun in paradise. I designed this one and sold quite a few and donated the funds to help Sharon buy a new wheelchair. Now, I'm laughing because the one in the pattern is exactly like this. This pink wool, there was a lot of it donated to me by my friend Janice, who I visited in Victoria recently, and I happen to have another heart. So this is identical to the pattern that is currently on sale on all three platforms. Now this one's $4 because there's not as much involved as what I did with the crochet one. And if you're a knitter, this is a knitted pattern for you to try. Now all funds will go to Emma's Quest, and the patterns will be on sale as a donation till the 31st of December 2022. So if you have a girl child in your life, you'd like to share a story with us or a picture with us, please do so, and make sure you hashtag it. Now let me check what the hashtag is. IDGAU. Put the AU so I know it's for me. IDGAU. And if you make the tea cozy, hashtag it Emma's Kisses AU, so I can check out your pictures on Instagram or Facebook. You can also email me pictures because I'd love to see how many people make them. So it's not an expensive pattern, and it is a great way to have some crafty fun and help me fundraise for my little friend Emma. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and you could have a crafty day making a tea cozy called Emma's Kisses. Bye for now.